Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Our project title is Bacterial Forgetting Based Hyper-heuristic for Resource Scheduling in Grid Computing. Let's see the explanation. Grid has the ability to make the coordinate use of heuristic computing the resources which are geographically used. There is one challenge to grid computing that is the use of QoS, the quality of service. Parameter is grid. So there is resource and advanced by the QoS greatness. Let's see the abstract of our project. Grid computing is a kind of distributed computing that involves the integrated and collaborative use of distributed resources. It involved a huge amount of computational tasks which required reliable resource sharing across computing domains. Rule-based scheduling algorithms have been extensively cost of several grid computing systems because they are simple and easy to append. Thought there is sufficiently from room to progress the performance of this algorithm, particularly by using the resource provided unit-based scheduling algorithm. By enhancing the hyper-heuristic or going to include the advanced meta-heuristic algorithm over here. The existing system, meta-heuristic or heuristic which control the search in a place of solution performed by the single low-level heuristic optimizer is not guided in meta-heuristic, as there is lack of theoretical basics, so it required multiple search parameter. Meta-heuristic algorithm like table search and colony etc. have different search method in the global approach. A centralized decision maker minimize the expected response time of the system. Numerous outsourced scheduling algorithms have been obtained, such as initial owing data first, central path method CPM, project evaluation and review technique, dynamic programming and batch and bound. There remains a commonly fair arrays to implement the meta-heuristic and hybrid scheduling algorithm, since they are considered in establishing on one or limited specific directions to achieve the place in the responsibilities, but meta-heuristic and hybrid scheduling algorithm are not. Let's see the proposed system. A new high-performance optimized RP-based aware scheduling algorithm is proposed on grid computing system to decrease the max spend. Two decision operations in the first price and one for the improvement direction are proposed for the proposed algorithm to regulate the efficiency to employ the low-level heuristic algorithm based on improving the quality of service parameters. The suggested algorithm can be useful to both sequence dependent and sequence independent scheduling problem IM or CB. Integral makes spin reducing based on producing algorithm. To access it performed on the grid lit simulation process, system resources and being allocated for all client-based jobs. Finally, processing load has been reduced according to job allocate for the resource. Let's see the data flow diagram. Then start our process. The user send the request to the middleware. It collects these client and server details. Then it's go to the scheduling process, and then the server 1 and server 2 to send our details to the middleware. Then scheduler allocate the process to the servers. Then start our process. Let's see the demo of our project. Click home.java. Click the existing. To view the job creation form, click job creation. Enter the quantity. And click OK button. To view the creating with the username and ID. Then click the user creation button. Enter the number of user. Click OK. To view the user creation name and the user ID. Then click the resource creation. Enter the resource. Then click the next button to get the get status and the capacity and the heuristic. To view the first iterations again on the forage, then click the next button. And now we view the job dispatcher, then go for the resource status, get the status and allocate and get. Now we go for the proposed button, enter the number of jobs, get jobs. To view the display the job details, then click the create job. Job has been created, then go for the user creation. To view the user details, then go for the resource creation, click the resource creation, then click the parameter creation, get the number of user, click get time, review the number of user and the user details and the starting time and the deadline time. Click job scheduling, click schedule to view the data, view scheduling to view the job details and the start time and deadline time and the starting jobs. Then click next button, and then now we are in job scheduling. Then click the get job, view scheduling to view the scheduling details. Then click the next button, view the scheduling details, and now we see the first iteration, second and the file rates, and go for the next. Enter the new incoming jobs, enter the job and the resource, get job, view all the jobs and overloading the job time and the minimum load time. Click graph to view the graph. Thank you for listening.